Namaskar Gurukulians, hope you all are fit and fine at home. So today we are going to do present continuous tense. Our topic is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Okay, first of all, form of this bete. You know very well, there are four aspects. Affirmative, for affirmative sentences, we use is plus is, am, are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Second, for negative sentences, is, is, mr plus note plus v1 ing plus object. For interrogative sentences, wh family word, okay, plus is, am, are plus subject plus v1 plus ing plus object. Okay, for negative interrogative sentences, I told you when we were doing present tense bete, present indefinite tense bete, see, is, am, are plus subject. Note always come in interrogative sentences, always after subject plus v1 ing plus object. Okay, these are the form of present continuous tense. Now first of all, what is the meaning of present continuous tense? Means action which are happening right now, which are taking place right now. Actions, see, actions which are happening right now. Give stress here bete, right now. See, first of all, what I am doing in front of you, what I am doing bete, I am in action bete, right now I am doing something here. What I am doing bete, see, I am teaching. Is it clear bete? This is the example of this, I am teaching. Now first of all, for affirmative sentences, take any example. See, this one also we can take here. See, subject has come bete, then from is, am, are, with I, we always use, you know very well about that, with I, am, you, are, with he, she, it and name. What you use bete, you know very well about that, I think so, it's. Okay, with we or they, two, we use there are. With I, okay, teach is the first form of the, this is subject, this is here helping verb, you know, this is your main verb. With main verb we have used here bete ing. Okay, this is your helping verb. Now for negative, make negative sentence of this bete, I am, what will come bete, not teaching. Clear? Interrogative sentence, see, if you are able to give answer in yes or no, what will come bete, this am will come here, okay, before subject. Am I not teaching? Clear? If you want to describe your answer, then what we use bete, WH family words. See, what am I teaching? Is it clear bete? WH family, you know very well about that WH family. What comes there in the WH family words bete? What, who, where, when, how. Okay, these are the words you use bete. Until when, these are the words for interrogative sentences. So what am I teaching? You have to elaborate bete. You have to mention here what I am teaching. Okay, anything means tense. Okay, am I not teaching? You can give answer here in a yes or no. That's why you will use here am is am are. Okay bete, this is the form of this. This is the form of this present continuous tense. Now see usage of this bete. ठीक है? Okay, first of all I would like to tell you something through the timeline. This is a timeline. Past, see here I am taking this side past, in the middle now the present time, and over on that line bete future is here. See past now. So I told you action which are happening right now. Right now, okay, means action is going on. Action आपका क्या है? Verb आपकी क्या है? That is going on. Okay, work is going on, work is in process. That's why what we will use there bete, we will use there is mr plus first form of the verb plus ing. Okay, clear? See usage, action, first action you know very where we use this actions, taking place, you can say. Okay, taking place and happening right now. Taking place or happening right now means at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking. Okay, be careful, at the time of speaking. I have used here right now. Clear? The first usage of this bete, example for this. Right now what I am doing bete? I am teaching tense. I am teaching. What you all are doing right now? You all are watching me bete. You can write there. You all are watching. Watch plus ing, watching me. Okay, next, I am having my milk. I am having my lunch. Anything you can write bete here, lunch. Okay, what is mother doing bete? Mother is, my mother, if she is doing something, she is in the kitchen and you can see what mother is doing. My mother is cooking. My mother is cooking food. Is it clear bete? These are the sentences for action taking place, happening. Okay, taking place or happening. Okay, right now at the time of speaking, then you use there bete present continuous tense. Okay, it is raining outside. Any example? It is raining. Okay, right now raining is there, you can see. If there is raining, what you will use bete? It is raining outside. These are the example of action taking place or happening right now. Now the second usage of this bete. Second use, where we use this bete for the temporary actions. See first of all, like that, I am living in a rented house. See bete, what is the meaning of this? In my first tense I told you, if I use here, I am telling right now here bete, the meaning is different. I live here. This is my permanent situation, means permanently I am living, I live there, okay. Where I live here, I live in America, something like that, okay. But here the meaning is different. See, I am living in a rented house, it means in future I can change my house, okay. Permanently I am not living in this place, I can change, maybe I will change in future, okay. After some month, this meaning of this one is this. Now second, my sister is living with us, living with us for a couple of days, okay. What is the meaning of this sentence bete? See, my sister is living, means she is living for a short period with us, she is living with us for a short period, and she will go to her house, okay, after some time. Now third sentence, third example, you can take any, you can make yours one also. My son is learning, my son is learning to play piano, okay. See, in this sentence, my son is learning, okay. It means like that he may be learning twice in a week, once in a week, okay, for a short period, okay. Continuously means he can, after some time he can change that. My son is learning to play piano. It doesn't mean like that, means that permanently, okay. He is taking classes twice in a week, once in a week, like that. So we use for temporary action. First action taking, happening place right now at the time of speaking. Second is here bete for the temporary actions. Now the third use of this tense bete. See, you can write in your notebook. Third function, third use of this bete, changes happening now, okay. The changes whatever coming, okay beta. See, like that, the price of LPG gas is increasing rapidly, okay. Price is increasing, okay. Price is increasing, this is showing changes are coming, okay. Second sentence is like that. See, the price of LPG gas is increasing. Scientists say that the earth is getting warmer, okay. Means earth is getting warmer, clear. See, changes coming in earth, okay. And third beta, see, nowadays video lectures are becoming very popular. Video lectures are, video lecture is becoming very popular, means popularity of video lecture is increasing right now. See, right now, okay. For three uses, clear. First is action at the time of speaking, second for the temporary actions, and the third is here changes happening now. These are the three usage of present continuous tense. Clear bete? Time, see bete, action is here going on, action is here going on, okay, it is in process, okay, that's why we use here present continuous tense. So what you will do, first of all, you will sit in your room. What you will see what your mother is doing, what your father is doing, okay, what your brother is doing. You will write some lines on that, and which tense you will use beta. If they are in any action, they are doing something, then you will use their present continuous tense. And the form I have told you, what you will use in present is am, are plus verb first form plus ing with subject. Okay, if any object is there, then you will use their object. Okay, so do practice at home.